Hello YouTube. So you can clearly see from the first video I got my door panel off on my 2012 Kia Rondo EX. I could not find any YouTube videos on how to replace the door actuator. This is my first time doing it, so I'm going to try to help you guys out and show you. I've already taken the 3 Torx bit screws off of the side heel, but I need to get inside heel to get this door actuator off that goes into the key handle. So it's a 10mm socket. I got mine attached to my impact gun. I'm gonna start taking these screws out. And again, always want to put all of your screws into a magnetic tray. Very helpful. Oops, mine's got a screwdriver stuck to it. It's a magnet. That way you don't lose any screws. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Those are all the ones I'm seeing. And I have this thing stuck, so I just need to pry this if I can. Always got to be gentle with these pry balls. You don't want to wreck anything. I'm always trying to be as gentle as I can. Not force anything. Just take your time, guys, because you don't want to break anything. See it's coming, so just go to another spot. Gentle. That is the key. Be as gentle as you can, because again, you don't want to break anything. Just keep going around. As careful as I can. One here you can tell with the little white clip. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. Oh. Just got it. Now guys, there's a clip right here. I'm gonna just remove that real quickly so I can never get this thing off. Let's see what it goes into. I think there's usually, I'm not seeing it. I take my little screwdriver, see if I can just, there's usually a little not sure how this one comes off, guys. It should be in here, but is it this? I'll come back to that. I'm not really sure if I need to. I'm going to take this Phillips screw off, and that's for the door handle. Oh, there's one more right here on the bottom. Not sure what it's stuck on, guys. I got everything off. Don't know if it's that. I'm gonna pause this until I figure out